So they saw the Google Office and they said, we want to have something like that too, because that's what we need to bring out creativity in our people. So they started spending a shitload of money on creative spaces. They started with a meeting room, then offices. Let's turn it into an open space. Let's turn it into a sharing space. Let's create innovation labs. That's an expensive building where we do innovation, I guess. So people started doing that and they spent all this money and they copied the hardware. We got the slides, we got the seats, the cool posters. We got our own ping pong table, got old video games, got a beer tap. We have all that stuff. It's amazing, right? So this is how we're going to get to innovation. Here's where the breakthrough is going to happen. We only forgot about one little thing. We forgot about the software. So what is software really? Software is a people. Software is you, software is me. How we communicate with each other, how we do things in the office, outside the office. Software. So we brought in all the slides, brought in all the cool stuff, but what we forgot about is all these legacy, the way we run our business, which is now getting in the way. Because we forgot to design that in there. Because one does not go without the other. The hardware never goes without the software.